Alright, so I've received this particular complaint from my Telegram and WhatsApp community. So a lot of people are complaining that they are unable to increase their level right here on Rocky Rabbit. And guys, one thing you need to understand is that level is one of the major criteria for Rocky Rabbit token. Okay, so if you are a Rocky Rabbit miner and you are watching this video right now, I will advise you to watch this video to the very end, because in this video I'm gonna take you through the step-by-step guide on how to increase your level, how to perform your daily task, how to carry out the superset on daily basis, the Easter eggs, and also the daily Enigma. Okay, so guys, before I continue, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you'll be notified. And please, if you have been watching my video and you haven't done that, please kindly support your boy. That is the only way you can support me. Okay, so my work here is to provide you with valuable content. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's dive in today's video. Alright guys, so in this video I'm gonna start with the most important one, which is the level. So to increase your level right here, what you need to do is to come over to this mine right here. So I'll click on mine. Alright, so once you click on mine, you will see different things right here. You can see the very first one there, which is fighter, coach, tournament, and Enigma. So to increase your level right here, what you need to do is to come over to tournament. So you click on tournament, and you can see it right here on Rocky Rabbit. They have only about 10 levels right here, and by the grace of God I have taken mine to level 7. Okay, and which I'm still going to do this before the listing days. Alright, so guys, one thing you need to understand about Rocky Rabbit levels right here is that each of the level you will have to undergo or upgrade a sub level to level 10. So you can see each of the level here I completed or I upgraded the sub level to a particular, that is to level 10. So you can see each of the level right there, you will have to upgrade the sub level to level 10 in order to unlock the main level right here. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. So I'm gonna start with this Apex tournament, which happened to be the level 7 right here on Rocky Rabbit, and you can see I am just at level 1. Okay, so in order to unlock this particular level right here, this is what I'm gonna do. So follow me while I take you through the process. Okay, so what I need to do here is to tap on it, and once I tap on it, so this is what they are asking me to do. Now you can see right here, this is gonna cost me 16.2 million. You can see right there, 16,278,771 worth of Rocky Rabbit coins right here. Okay, and what I'm gonna be earning per hour from here, from this particular level, is 7,000 per hour. Okay, which is the hourly income right here. So to update this, what I'm gonna do is to click on pay and upgrade. Alright, so that is level 2. Under the same level, what I am doing now is upgrading the sub level. Okay, I will click on it again, and this time around I will be paying 18 plus. So I will click on it again. Alright, so let me show you something right here. The reason why you see that each time I tap on it, I am allowed to upgrade immediately. You know, for some of you, you may notice something like once you click on it, you will be asked to update or upgrade this. You can see that particular stuff, which after writing the write up there, they also include the strokes right there. Okay, just in case you are seeing it on your own. The reason why I am not seeing this is because I have already upgraded my sub level to a certain level, so that is why they are not asking of it. So just in case you are seeing it, you can see at the level right at the bottom, the second one there, they say task flexibility training coach. Okay, so in case you are seeing something like that on your own and you are unable to upgrade, what you need to do is to tap on this flexibility training coach, and if you tap on it, this is it right, this is it, and you can see right here this flexibility training is locked right? So in order to unlock flexibility training, which happen to be the last right here, you will need to go back. Don't forget we have entered another place, and this should be under coach. So you can see we have moved from tournament to coach, and from coach we are under upgrade. So you will need to start from this level 1, which is teaching basic techniques. All right, so these are the basic levels. So what you need to do is to start from here, the very first one, and you can see right there, you can see that thing that I told you right here, action required. Okay, so you may be saying something like this in case you haven't upgrade a particular card to a certain level. So this is what you will see, action required. Don't forget I was trying to upgrade the level 3 of the main level, which is this, which is flexibility training coach. And from in order to unlock flexibility training coach, I will have to start from the very first one, which is teaching basic techniques. I hope you are following, guys. This may be a kind of complicated, but if you follow this my pattern, you will not miss out. Okay, so if I click on it, you can see the required action here is that you need to enter Vanguard tournament. Keep training hard. So I will click on Vanguard tournament, and I'll be navigated to here. So all right, so you can see, and this is where I ended, or this is where I happen to see myself. So the reason why they navigated me to this particular place is because I still have the chance to upgrade this my Apex. Okay, so in order to access that particular level or sub level, you need to at least update your Vanguard tournament. So let's continue from where I stopped. Guys, I strongly believe I am not making things complicated here. The reason why I had to go back is because you will definitely see something like that even from level 1, just in case you haven't update the sub levels. Okay, so let's continue from where I stopped. Don't forget I am trying to take this Apex tournament to the last sub level, which is level 10. So once I get to level 10, automatically I have unlocked this particular tournament, right, which is level. Okay, so here on Rocky Rabbit we call it tournament. So I'll go again. So this time around I'm paying 20 million worth of coins in order to get to level 4 of Apex tournament. So I will click on it again and I upgrade, right, and you can see I am at level 4, right? So if I click on it again, you can see I'll be charged 22 million. So guys, we keep going, okay, so let's keep doing it. I'll be fasting right now, so I will leave the whole thing till I get to a certain level. All right, so I have gotten to level 6 of Apex tournament, and you can see right here insufficient fund. That is because I have used you can see right here my coins balance right here is not up to the amounts required to enter that particular level right here. So you can see I am left with 18 million coins from 100 and something k. All right, so that is the step. This is not something difficult, just follow that step. Okay, follow these steps. Once you get to a certain level, you will be asked to unlock another sub level, so make sure you just tap on it. So that is it. So I strongly believe you have gotten that is just the simplest steps to upgrade your level. So you start from level 1. In order to complete your level 1, you will need to update or upgrade a sub level to level 10. Okay, so that is it on how to upgrade your levels right here on Rocky Rabbit. So you can see right here on this Apex tournament, which is the 7th level right there, I am at level 6. That simply means I still need like 4, and that would cost me not less than 100 million in order to enter that. All right, so another thing there, guys, I need to show you here is how to increase your income per hour. So you can see right here our income right here, you can see plus 4h income. That is what that simply means, that I am earning this figure you are seeing there, 524.62k per 4 hours. Okay, so after 4 hours the whole thing is gonna stop counting. Okay, so that simply means I will need to be coming here every 4 hours to claim my coins, just the way you normally do on Hamster Combat. Okay, and guys, guess what, you can actually increase your hourly income right here. So you tap on it, and if you tap on it, this is what you will see, right? So you can see in hourly income limit. So if I want to increase my hourly income to level 5, that simply means I'll be coming to claim my coins every 5 hours instead of 4 hours. Okay, so right there on default, I guess it was level 3, so I had to use my coins to upgrade that. And if I'm to take it to level 5, which is 5 hours, I will need to pay the sum of 10 million plus in order to upgrade to 5 hours. So that is it on how to increase your income per hour, right? Alright guys, I don't want to make this video longer than this. Don't forget, in the beginning of this video I said I was going to show you how to carry out the daily task right here on Rocky Rabbit, such as the superset, the Easter eggs, and the daily Enigma. Okay, so right now what you need to do is to join my Telegram channel right here. I'm gonna drop the link right there in the description, because there I always post all this on my Telegram channel. Okay, so consider joining my Telegram channel in order to have access to the daily tasks. Okay, so guys, thank you, and if you find this video valuable, consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video like this, you will be notified. And see you in my next video.